Think about this. Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, you keep falling into the same patterns: self-doubt, procrastination, or just feeling like you're not reaching your full potential? What if I told you that everything you believe about yourself, your limits, your fears, your failures, are not facts? They're just mental programs. And the best part? You can rewrite them. Segment 1. Your mind is a program. Let's start with this. Your mind is like a computer. The beliefs, thoughts, and habits you've developed over the years are just software running in the background. Some of it is helpful, like your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. But some of it, completely outdated and holding you back. Example: think about a child who hears you're not smart enough or you'll never be successful. That becomes a belief, a subconscious program that runs on autopilot. Fast forward to adulthood, and that person may never even try for bigger opportunities because deep down, their brain tells them they're not capable. But here's the truth. Your brain is designed to change. It's called neuroplasticity, meaning you can literally rewire the way you think, behave, and react to the world. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Segment 2. The mindset shift you need. Before we rewire anything, let's talk about the 3 mindsets that determine your success or failure. Number 1. The fixed mindset, the trap. People with this mindset believe their abilities are set in stone. They avoid challenges because they fear failure. They think, I'm just not good at this, instead of, I can learn this. Example: a student fails a math test and says, I suck at math, instead of, maybe I need to study differently. Number 2. The growth mindset, the key. These people believe they can grow, adapt, and improve with effort. They embrace challenges instead of avoiding them. Failure isn't an end, it's just feedback. For example, Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of quitting, he practiced harder. That's the growth mindset in action. Number 3. The abundance mindset, the superpower. Instead of seeing success as limited, they believe in limitless opportunities. They focus on solutions instead of problems. Instead of being jealous, they learn from others' success. For example, instead of thinking, that person is successful so I'll never be, they think, if they can do it, I can too. So, what mindset do you have? Be honest with yourself. And if you're stuck in a fixed mindset, don't worry. We're about to break that pattern. Segment 3. Rewiring your brain for success. Step 1. Interrupt the negative loop. Your brain runs on autopilot. If you've spent years telling yourself I'm not good enough, it's time to disrupt that pattern. Action. Every time you catch a negative thought, reframe it. I'm terrible at public speaking, to I'm learning to be a great speaker. At first it feels fake, but over time, your brain rewires to believe it. Step 2. Upgrade your mental diet. Your mindset is shaped by what you consume. Books, media, conversations, even social media. Action. Read books that expand your thinking. Follow people who inspire you. Stop feeding your mind negativity, news, toxic social media, drama. Want to rewire your brain? Start with better inputs. Step 3. Change your environment. Your environment has a massive impact on your mindset. Want to change your habits? Change your surroundings. Action. Want to be productive? Clean your workspace. Want to think bigger? Surround yourself with ambitious people. Want to feel confident? Dress like the person you want to become. Your environment should reflect your future, not your past. Step 4. Take massive, imperfect action. Most people stay stuck in learning mode. They read, they watch videos, they plan, but they never start. Action. Want to start a business? Launch a simple version today. Want to get fit? Do 10 push-ups right now. Want to improve your mindset? Start journaling today. Execution beats perfection, every single time. All right, so let's recap. Your brain is like a computer. It runs on programs, and those programs can be rewritten. You just need to challenge your thoughts, change your inputs, shape your environment, and take action. Your challenge today? Pick one mindset shift and apply it. Right now. Drop a comment or DM me. What's one belief you're changing today? If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to follow the podcast, share it with a friend, and leave a review. It really helps spread this message. That's it for today. Keep rewiring your mind, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next episode.